Alright, today's video, I'm gonna start backwards. I'm gonna start by putting it on. There's a lot of videos already about this type of vehicle, but I'm gonna add a few things to a couple of videos that they didn't add. People make mistakes about, so stay tuned. Alright, make sure plug in your harness here. I just put a zip tie right here because it was all like just set back like that, but you gotta just make it nice. All right, next we're gonna actually clean off the intake manifold. It's pretty dirty, so you gotta clean it. I zip tied that, made it look fresh. It's sent back there so it don't be flopping, touching everything. So let's get to cleaning. All right, so she's all cleaned up. Make sure you clean them up before you install the new manifold, because that's one of the people's mistakes. Like this person tried to put it on themselves and they didn't clean up the surfaces how they should. This is how they should look. You saw how they used to look and how this is looking right now. So just stay tuned, and I'm gonna put the manifold on now. Okay, so now that we have the manifold on, you want to tighten down the 6 bolts on the outer. There's 3 on this side, 3 on this side, to 12 millimeters, and then the fuel rail 2 on each side. Those go to 10. So, and do it like a zigzag, like this one, that one, this one, that one, and then the middle one, and then this one, that one, this one, that one. So that's how you want to torque them. All right, so while you have your throttle body out, make sure you just do a little quick cleaning on it. Make it fresh. Yeah. All right, so this is my throttle body's clean. And you see those marks, they're just stains. But if you really look at it, it's clean. So yeah, now it's going back on. And bolts, crisscross. So 10 millimeters to tighten those. Gonna just install the intake manifold, and for all you guys out there just looking to see what's going on, just take a look around. That's blank, you leave that blank. I'll show you at the end. I'm gonna put everything back together, and everything looks perfect. So now we're gonna take it for a drive, see how she drives.